Hey, stop.
Oh, where are you
touch
going?
Me. I'm right here.
In
I'm
a
gonna have a seat.
second, no.
Yeah. Don't
Have
touch
a-
me.
have a
Don't
seat.
touch me.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, and do it now.
You just showed me by the neck, sir.
What's going on?
We're trying to go to the bar, and our friends have the dogs, and the people are pushing us out of the bar, so now they're upset.
Hey, break it up, break it up. Hey, come out here. Come out here.
Mike, it's a piece of shit.
Come out.
It's a piece of shit.
All right, go over there for me. Yeah. Just let me get everybody separated real quick. All right, Ben, stop. All right, come over here.
Close the door so we can talk.
Yep, close the door.
Wow, what a tricky club we're in. I just got choked out.
All right, so...
We were just trying to get a drink, and we're going to sit outside with our dogs. And they're pushing us out, and they're yelling at us like, no dogs allowed. We're like, okay, we're just going to get our drinks. We're going to sit outside. I'm like, you're not allowed to do that on our property, blah, blah, blah. And they're yelling at her, and they're yelling at him.
Okay.
And we said, okay, we're just get a drink and sit outside. That's all we'll
Listen,
do.
service animals are allowed in any bar
Right.
we want to be on.
Right.
That's
all
my
we
dogs.
do.
Okay.
So why the are they? Why?
So...
Why they be so nasty?
Attacked us.
Right.
The couple leads with the service animal angle, claiming they were just trying to cooperate by staying outside. But there's already inconsistency. They say the dogs belong to their friend, then claim they're service animals.
So...
We attacked
So...
us. It wasn't fair,
So...
you know?
So I don't know. I'll talk to you in just a second. Let me talk to them, okay?
They touched her. Honestly,
You wanna
our
go?
friend.
Okay.
Please,
So-
it's not fair.
How's it going, guys? All friendly?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're great dogs.
All right, you guys mind coming over to this table with me?
Can we say right where we are?
Can you come over to this table with me?
I mean, yes, sir.
Thank you.
I can.
Just trying to get...
No need for gloves.
Do what?
There's no need for gloves, Vaughn.
I put gloves on every call. You never know when you got to touch somebody. All right. So what's going on tonight?
Long story short, I don't
I've
know.
been here. I know the owners of this bar. I know the bartenders normally.
Okay.
So my story, I was standing outside with the dogs, and I seen her get shoved out the door by her throat.
Okay.
It's not fair.
Do you guys both have your IDs on you?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay. Can I
What do
see
you
them?
need it for?
I just did a call.
No, you don't.
Now, here's where things shift. The officer asks a routine question, IDs, and gets instant defiance. They're claiming to be assault victims, but refusing basic identification.
Okay. Well, I got to
We
know
didn't
who I'm
do
talking
anything.
to.
We just
I'm Henry.
said they kicked
My name
us
is
out,
Henry.
you know?
Okay. I mean, so you guys, those are your dogs.
Mm-hmm.
You're trying to go in, get a drink,
Mm-hmm.
and then what happened from there?
They said that.
No
Don't
dogs
go in.
allowed.
Don't go in.
So then we said, okay, we just want to get the drinks, and we'll sit out here. And they said, we can't serve you guys.
Okay.
We said, why? We're not going to bring the dogs in. They're fine. They're service animals. They're our friends' dogs. We're just sit
Okay.
out
Listen,
here.
if you have your dog and you go into a bar, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
Neither is my wife.
I'm not saying you are.
What the f is going on in Florida? Like, I can't even bring my dog to a bar.
She grabbed me by the neck and
And shoved her out the door, and I watched that.
Okay. What were the events leading up to that?
She went
My
in and asked for a
dogs.
drink. They said we couldn't have dogs in there.
And they were pushing at my friend. They were touching.
Come.
And they were pushing my husband.
I
It's
gotcha.
not fair. Come on.
Okay. So I do need you guys to identify yourself.
Okay.
So the bartender's the one that put the hands on you.
issue with me. I know everybody here. I worked at.
Let- Tell him
What
what
is
the
the-
bar.
Is the
I know.
bartender the one that shoved you out the door, or was it a patron?
No,
No, the
a
bartender.
patron.
The officer asks the critical question, what happened before the alleged assault, and gets more contradictions. They can't even agree on who assaulted them. They literally give opposite answers in the same breath.
No, it was the bartender.
A patron.
What does she look like?
Older woman, blonde hair, kind of shorter.
Okay.
Grabbed me by the neck and just slung my head back.
It's not fair. We just wanted to have one beer. We're going to go have a dinner.
I gotcha.
You know, but they were also against us.
Yep.
They were so mean to us.
Yep.
I don't know if it's because me and my husband are Hispanic and I'm Middle Eastern.
Yep.
Oh, God.
Yep. Hey. Just
Go back in.
Just come over here, sir.
For a sec.
No, look at my face.
Yep. We'll talk.
I got you. We'll talk to you in a second. Go ahead and close that door for me. All right. And then what's his date of birth?
I'm telling you straight
I would
up,
tell you-
I walked in with my dogs.
Okay.
These people were like, who are you? Why is your dog in here? Is this a service dog? And I said, well, pretty much, you know.
The bartender said somebody in this party assaulted 2 people in my back.
Okay.
I had the reverse issue with my dogs.
What are we talking about now?
Talk to lawful.
And what are we talking about now? What did he say?
Who are you?
I'm one of the guys that had the dogs in them. And
Let me see your ID. Sir, I'm telling you right now, I have a legal reason to ask for your identification.
I don't have one.
Okay, then have a seat.
Okay.
Sir.
Hey, stop.
Oh, where are
Don't
you
touch
going?
Me. I'm right here.
In
I'm
a
gonna have a
second.
seat.
No.
Yeah. Don't
Have a-
touch me.
have a
Don't
seat.
touch me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back and do it now. Take off this backpack first.
The officer's patience runs out. Don't touch me is the worst thing you can say when an officer is trying to detain you for non-compliance. That phrase escalates every situation.
Okay.
And everybody was trying to kick us out. Like, no dogs allowed. They told you no dogs allowed. I was like, okay, so we'll just go outside. And she was just looking for her friend.
One second, ma'am. Sarge.
2495.
All right, I'm gonna hold his hands up. Okay. And you search him. All right.
The only thing I got out of that was a birthday and
Sir,
then the mail.
in a second, you're gonna be pepper sprayed.
Go ahead.
Sir, you're escalating the situation
Yeah, I'm
by
not.
your failure to
I'm
comply.
not.
I keep telling you not to do something.
Hey,
you keep doing it.
I'm
and
not.
you're stop tensing your arms.
Dustin, I'm not.
Stop tensing your arms and allow me to
Stop.
pull them up so
No.
you can search your waistband.
I'm comfortable.
Okay, I got attacked pretty much
Yeah.
by not only women but men.
Hey, he's getting locked up.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily.
Yeah, he just got.
They're just searching.
No way.
He just got
go handle
handcuffed.
that.
Where what
Babes.
happened with them?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Same thing as us.
Nothing happened. He's not going to.
Here, just stay over here with me. Just stay over here with me. I don't.
No,
He's
go
he's not in
handle
cuffs. He's not in
He's
cuffs.
not going to jail.
Yeah,
I
they're
swear to God, I'll make a phone call. He's
They're
not going to
searching
jail.
him right now and putting him in handcuffs.
Sergeant. You piece of shit. Sergeant.
Ma'am, stay over here. Ma'am, don't create another issue for yourself. Just stay over here. Just stay over here just for a minute. I don't know what's going on over there. We'll figure it out. But don't go over there. I don't want you to create another problem for yourself, okay? As of right now, you guys are not in trouble, okay?
No, nobody's in trouble.
Babe, come here.
And I promise you, you won't want this trouble.
Come here.
Good.
Check this.
They're what?
They're just checking out.
For what?
Been arrested for resisting an officer without violence.
Was he arrested for sure? Do you know?
Ma'am, please stay over here.
Wait, Lindsay, wait, Lindsay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
People there. So there's people inside that are involved. Haven't talked to them yet, and then her, him, and him in the vehicle.
Are you guys arresting him?
Yeah, he's going to jail
Yes,
Really, they
why?
for resisting an officer without violence.
Do that. Please don't do that.
Come on, guys.
Please don't do that. Please don't do that,
Did
sir.
we contact the
Please.
person? Apparently, somebody hit somebody.
So
Yeah,
she was pressed out. She was shoved out by the neck. She does not want to press charges.
I'm not pressing charges. I got choked first, and I
I
hit
can't
someone.
hear you because she's yelling. So talk louder, please.
Patron inside.
Uh-huh.
Patron inside pushed her out by the neck.
They're
She doesn't want. She doesn't want to.
Yeah.
She does
I'm not pressing
I
charges.
have not spoke with anybody inside yet.
We haven't made
He's
contact
not
with
going
people
to
inside.
jail.
No, he is
sir,
going to
please
jail.
don't.
No way.
Why?
I already told you I'm not going to repeat myself
Sir,
50
kick us
times because
out
you
of
guys don't
there.
understand. All right, do we got IDs on both of them? I have. Who's them over there?
He didn't do nothing. What did he do? He
They're-
didn't do
they're
nothing. He was
So there's
sitting
4
on the
people
bench.
altogether? Yes. Asked to leave the bar? Yep. He's one of them and he hasn't been identified yet? Why?
He hasn't done anything.
Go get his identification. Okay, so the information.
He hasn't done anything.
So,
He's
sorry?
been sitting outside the whole time. It was us
Holding
that went
the
out.
dogs.
We were inside. Well,
Okay,
when they
congratulations.
kicked us
I mean,
out,
I'm not here to give you guys a hard time. We're here to find out what
You're
happened.
arresting someone that didn't even do anything wrong.
Well, you weren't standing over here during our exchange, so
I
you
got
don't really
choked.
know it.
And I can press charges on a human being that put their hands on me first. He didn't even touch nobody. Why is he getting arrested?
For
Yeah.
failure to obey lawful commands of a police officer.
You are crazy as hell. Wait till I make a report on your ass. Wait. Because I know everybody here. I used to work at Worcester Pub for 5 years. I know everybody.
He didn't do anything, honestly.
Just wait.
He may not have done anything
Our kids are here.
He may
He
not
didn't
have done
do nothing.
anything before I arrived, but he did something after I arrived, and he's going to jail. That's the end of the
What
story.
did he do?
What did he do?
I already told you. I just can't keep saying.
Let's
it.
see the video.
So, what's his name?
Henry.
Henry. What's his middle name?
No, don't give him nothing. No.
You want her birthday?
Yeah, Lindsay's Lind.
SCY.
But
Okay,
he's going to be in.
Let's not harp on what his name
Yep.
is. You got her identified?
Yep.
You got her identified?
No.
Why not?
Carmen was over there. He was talking to
Ma'am,
him at the time. I don't know.
You have your identification with you?
No.
Okay. What's your last name?
Unless I forgot it.
Okay, this is how he ended up in jail. By doing what you're doing now.
But
Oh, you want to arrest me too?
What's your last name?
I just got assaulted. You want to arrest me?
What is your last name?
Let's see how that works out for
What's
you.
your last name?
You know what? I'm going to make a phone call.
What's your last name? What's your last name, ma'am?
Nope. Making a phone call.
10:15 right now.
All right.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, come back.
Sir, please don't do that, sir. Please don't do that.
Stop. Ma'am.
Hey!
Please don't
Hey, what? You stay over there, partner. You stay right where you're at.
Oh, stop.
Get off of me.
Nope.
What the are y'all doing? Hey, they're trying to grab my phone. Hey!
Stop. Stop doing that. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Hey!
Stop resisting.
Hey! Videotape this. Videotape this.
Get back there.
Videotape this.
So now she's going to jail?
Videotape this! Get your hand off my neck. Are you crazy?
Put her in your car.
Yep.
Are you
Let's
crazy?
Go. Yep.
Here, hey.
Stop!
I haven't done nothing.
No, he said he was. Come here. He was detaining you.
No, she's going to jail.
For what?
Resisting an officer.
For what reason?
For resisting an officer. Would you like to go to
guys are
jail for the same
shaking
thing?
and attacking me.
Come on, get
What
her in
am
the
I
car.
doing? Lens.
I haven't done nothing.
What did she do?
I already told you.
I haven't done nothing. His hands are shaking. Babe, videotape this. Hey, send it to my buddy.
We're Charlie 11 Central. One adult male, 10:15. And is there a female available for search?
I got choked out and didn't say.
Have her searched when we get her to the station. Does she have any? Can just check her back and make sure she doesn't have any weapons in it.
Okay.
Check the pockets in her coat and just put her in the car.
Okay.
Just get her out of here.
Okay.
Hey, what's the reason?
All right.
Hey,
Come back
get your
here.
hands back to the car.
Oh, well, you're going.
You can't. You gotta handcuff me on the front.
Nope. You missed that chance when you
No.
resisted.
I didn't resist.
Yep. Go ahead and have a seat.
Where are your kids?
They're here. They're
In the bar?
We told them to go away to the side by IHOP. We told them to go by IHOP.
Well, my best suggestion
They're
to you is
16, 17 years old.
to go find your kids and have them drive you home if they're old enough to drive. Have you been drinking too?
Our hotel's right here.
Okay, then to go back to the hotel and stay there the
I'm
rest
not
of the night.
drinking like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, giving you a chance to have a seat.
You gotta handcuff me in the front, please.
Ma'am, please get in the car. Please get in the car.
handcuff me in the front. I'm scared.
Ma'am, please get in the car.
Mark!
I know, babe. There's nothing I can do.
in the car.
I
In the car.
resisting arrest.
Hey, partner, hey! Get away from there now! Get back over here now!
I have to go, babe, before I go too.
Ma'am? Ma'am, sit in the car.
I wasn't doing nothing.
I cannot believe this.
Ma'am,
I said I wasn't even pressing
telling you-
charges on the girl that jumped me out. Now I'm getting arrested. She's not going to jail.
we haven't even had a chance to talk to her yet because we've been dealing with you.
This is crazy.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in the
have a
car
seat in
now.
car.
No, but
Let's go get her into the car.
now I have to deal with bailing her out and
Yes.
over.
Kids and our kids.
Well, I'm sorry about all that, but you guys did not do this to them. They did it
I
to
didn't-
themselves.
I know, sir.
We take each person on
Hey.
their individual actions. Have a seat in the
Roll
car.
down the window. Can you roll down
You can roll down the window.
I can run one for you. Get some AC going.
Can you put the handcuffs in the front?
Well, we'll think about that after you have a seat in the car.
Please. I swear I'll sit down.
Okay, well, have a seat in the car.
Handcuff 'em in the front.
If you have a seat, we'll think about it.
I didn't do nothing.
All right, I need you to put your feet in.
Please.
Are we all done? Do we have everybody?
I still have, yes, everybody's ID'd. I still have not talked to anybody
Make sure we
inside.
don't have any
Did you get my
charges from
ID
inside.
back?
Yeah, your ID's right there on the table.
Let's get this wrapped up.
But at the end of the day, she was the one that was assaulted.
Yeah, really, she was. They kicked us out.
So what happened tonight? We were going to come in and talk to you, but we've been having to deal with all this stuff here.
Yeah, it's okay. So,
Did she hit you?
look at my forehead.
So she put hands on you?
No, she hit. Look, put your fingers on my forehead and see.
I
don't
see it. I don't
usually-
need to.
No, she punched me in the face.
Anybody witness it?
Everybody did. Yes.
All right.
I want to prosecute.
sorry, I wanna-
Absolutely.
All right, we're going to have you fill out some paperwork.
Okay.
He's saying she's claustrophobic.
She's
is what I'm
claustrophobic.
hearing.
Yes.
Take her to the jail.
That's what I'm
and
saying,
Get her out of the
please.
car
Okay.
before
That's
she has
what
a
I'm
panic
asking.
attack.
Okay.
This is how it happened, how it transpired. They had their little doggies there. I went and pet their dogs. I'm like, oh my God, they're so cute. And I'm thinking, why are we having pit bulls in the bar?
And they're big pit bulls,
And
too.
no, and then the next thing we had this, it was some kind of barroom brawl. I don't really know how it happened. And I kind of came out to defend what was going on. And she's like, you. And yeah, no,
Okay.
I mean, you can,
Yeah, I can-
clearly see she hit me in the face.
Yeah.
Like,
So I just
No,
I'll
she's
talk-
crazy
I
as
just want to talk to some people in there. If I have a couple people that witnessed it,
everybody, everybody here on the corner, they saw everything.
This is unreal. I cannot believe that y'all would actually want to throw me in jail over this.
do you want them
never-
trespassed?
Absolutely. I've never
They said
seen,
they said they're in here all the time.
I've
but,
never seen those. I've been here for,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, I've seen
seven,
it. Yeah.
7 years.
I've been here your whole life.
Yeah, right. But I have been here for 7 years and I've never seen them. But I'm not
Okay.
working tonight.
Yeah,
my
well, I mean,
boyfriend
still,
and I
you
just
can.
came in for a quick drink after dinner.
So that's
$500 bond. It's a
Misdemeanor.
first degree misdemeanor.
and that normally
$500
gets thrown out of court.
Usually they find that the arrest is sufficient for the charge.
So they throw it out of court, so it don't really get charged. I'm just asking.
Well, she'll have a criminal record.
Who would
Still, she will because of the arrest. It goes on her record and that doesn't come off.
Pete Rose.
Peyton Manning.
Oh, okay.
All right. If I can just get a picture of you
Yeah.
there. Oh yeah, that's a good angle there in the light too.
Could this entire situation have been avoided with basic cooperation and honesty from the start? If this breakdown gave you a new perspective on how quickly bar disputes can spiral into arrests, hit that like button. Drop a comment on whether you think the officers handled this correctly.